Starting around 21 walk 2024, especially smooth love potion basically is exchanging at $6 in term of its iced rate with a value change of 293% in most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely critical. XLP generally has a complete market cap of $246, 799, 155 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $25, 402, 883, which by and large is very critical. This explicitly makes extremely smooth love potion SLP truly positioning at 282 in the digital money market, or so they sort of thought. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the smooth love potion cost forecast. Finish of 2024, what will truly smooth love potion most certainly be worth in 2024, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking, is especially smooth love potion and in every practical sense wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Will SLP cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which for the most part is very huge? These really are our very smooth love potion cost expectations for SLP's future, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation 2024 as per the genuinely smooth love potion gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the SLP cost especially is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $75, the normal genuinely least value worth of certainly smooth love potion toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $72 in a sort of significant manner. Besides, SLP can really arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $88, which by and large is genuinely huge. Smooth love potion value figure walk 2024. In walk 2024, the extremely greatest cost for kind of smooth love potion could sort of stretch around $61 for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in walk 2024 really is $954 with an exceptionally normal cost of $59, or so they most certainly thought. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, truly smooth love potion cost in a real sense is gauged to by and large arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of $958 in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $63 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $61 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love potion value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of truly smooth love potion basically is supposed to truly be at around an essentially least of $6 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love potion cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $66 with the exceptionally normal cost of $62 in USD, or so they really thought. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation June 2024. The cost for really smooth love potion in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $62 and $69, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $65 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love potion value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the especially greatest cost for especially smooth love potion could especially stretch around $72 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in July 2024 especially is $65 with a truly normal cost of $67 in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation August 2024. The cost for in every practical sense smooth love potion in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $65 and $74, which basically is genuinely huge. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $68 in a genuinely significant manner. SLP value conjecture September 2024. The very smooth love potion estimate for September 2024 expects that the SLP may for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $78 with a very least cost of around $67 in an in every practical sense significant way. Discussing the typical value SLP can in a real sense stretch around $69 for September in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love potion value expectation October 2024. Truly smooth love potion cost truly is supposed to really reach between $68 to $81 in October 2024, while the by and large normal cost of SLP for the October especially remains around $71 SLP value figure November 2024. The exceptionally smooth love potion estimate for November 2024 expects that the SLP may sort of arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.085 with a 4. The most part least cost of around $0.971, which essentially is genuinely critical. Discussing the exceptionally normal value SLP can in every way that really matters stretch around $0.974 for November, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth love potion value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for commonly smooth love potion could truly stretch around $0.88, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in December 2024 in a real sense is $0.72, with a by and large normal cost of $0.975, which generally shows that moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in July 2024 basically is $0.965 with an extremely normal cost of $0.967, or so they essentially thought. Smooth love potion by and large past value examination for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been really diminished by 44% in its ongoing worth, in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming we for the most part look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a fundamentally significant manner. Smooth love potion certainly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, showing how smooth love potion SLP value expectation August 2024. The cost for in every practical sense, smooth love potion in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.965 and $0.974, or so they in a real sense thought. The SLP for the most part is down to nearly 11.81% in the by and large most recent 7 days, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for sort of past genuinely couple of days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, or so they basically thought. Smooth love potion value gauge 2024 facts. What will for the most part be somewhat smooth love potion worth in 2024 fundamentally, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The SLP cost most certainly is estimated to truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $0.98 with by and large least cost of $0.972 toward the finish of 2024 in an in every way that really matters significant way. Does especially smooth love potion explicitly have a future in an essentially significant manner? As far as cost, genuinely smooth love potion generally has an exceptional most certainly potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, showing the way that the SLP cost could by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.963 with the very normal expected cost around $0.961 in an unpretentious manner. It basically is conjecture that SLP will increment in esteem, so besides, the minimum cost of SLP in December 2024 truly is $0.972 with an especially normal cost of $0.975, which in a real sense shows that moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in July 2024 generally is $0.965 with a by and